post-jetter camera inspection. We're at 30 feet out from the cleanout right now. Reason being, after removal of all the roots, we have located two different breaks in the line. The original one is out at 65, 70 feet that we cannot get past the camera after removing the roots. Then we jetted the remainder of the line coming back, and we also removed a root ball that was coming in right here. You see we're going down into a hole at the bottom of the pipe. Alright, let's try that again. So you can see it start going down. I'm not going to go all the way down because last time it blacked out my lens. But there's a hole right there at the bottom. That's why the standing water's all there. It's a little divot, a little valley at the bottom. Can't get my camera past there because it just automatically goes straight into the dirt. So I'm going to pull back from there. So I'm going to tie in there. This is just full of sand from the brakes. Rough corners on the backside of that turn. Back in the house, cast iron.